Web's a small charity based in the north end of Birkenhead. Started off by local women helping each other out in their own homes, and then when it became a registered charity we started doing some confidence building courses. We've got a young women's group, we do holistic therapies, a lot of training around anger management and communication skills. We also deliver in the community too. We work with housing associations, we work in hostels, we work with excluded young people, and we work with primary and secondary schools. We nominated Natasha for this award because the training that we'd given her when she was 9 years old, right up until the age of she was 15, she wants to learn how to deliver that herself to younger people, because she said that was the thing that made a difference in her life.
I couldn't imagine myself without Web. I mean, it's changed my whole life, and I just love changing other people's lives the way Web's changed mine.